Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and in this video, we're going to give you an update on what's going on with the new QTH renovation. Stand by. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. This will be a short video just on our update here on how things are coming along with our shack renovations by CTK Renovations out of Shadiac, New Brunswick. The guys are doing a great job, by the way. Totally, I can recommend those. Recommend them if you're looking for a home renovation company in and around Moncton. They do a great job. Anyway, today Chris was in and he put the primer, or started to put the primer on the room here. You can see it's coming along quite nicely. His spray gun that he uses, the nozzles got clogged up, so he's gone into town to get another nozzle for his spray gun here. So it all clogged up, so he has to go get some new nozzles. Anyway, the job is coming along really nicely. It's starting to take shape. Probably a couple more weeks until we're ready to move in. But yeah, looking good. We got another happening on the outside. Let's go there and check out what's happening on the outside of the shack. All right, so on the outside, we put the 2 meter, 70 centimeter antenna up today. I got to take it all out from the inside because I forgot it's wrapping around the tower. So I got to bring the coax in from outside and feed it in properly. But other than that, the 2 meter tower is up here, mast up there. It's up 7 of the Princess Auto tent poles. Here, just kind of mounted to the side of the house or the garage here. So it's all ready to go. So we tested it. It gets into all the repeaters in Moncton, no problem. So yeah, we're gonna have a fully operating shack here very, very soon. So there's a quick update here from San Antoine, New Brunswick. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and check back later to see how our shack renovations are coming along. All right, got a few other things to do still. See you later, everyone.